My name's Elise Raskevitz. I'm supervisor of janitors for second shift custodial services. I'm part of a team of 5 custodial supervisors. I currently have a team of 25 staff members and 15 buildings, several of which we host events for the campus community. A typical day, I'll come in for 4 o'clock in the evening. I go through my emails and see whatever might have happened throughout the course of the day that might need our attention. It could be anywhere from a lamp that needs replacing to new staff that's moving into offices that we'll need to get the office situated for them. We got a great team atmosphere at UMass. The personalities are diverse. We have a number of different nationalities in my service area. We have people that are from Nepal and Vietnam. We also have people from Puerto Rico. Everybody's very upbeat, working together to get things done. And it's a breath of fresh air to hear people's backgrounds, where they come from, and it's a great environment to be part of. I try to foster a team environment with my staff. I try to make sure that everybody's comfortable, that everybody feels like that their voices matter, because their voices are extremely important. There are so many options for people to expand their knowledge as staff, not just students, in their careers. We have a lot of great apprenticeship programs that are available for staff that are interested in going into different trades other than custodial services. It's really wonderful to see staff take advantage of the opportunities that are available to them to expand their knowledge and work into the trades that they've aspired to.